Hey everyone, and welcome to Avs Online. Today we are going to do some customized aprons. So, what I'm doing here is just doing an outline of a chef hat, and I'm just drawing it with pencil onto the canvas. So, you guys should have had your canvas aprons in a box along with either materials or paint. So, you can do whatever you want with your canvas apron. I've decided to draw a woman with a chef hat. So right now I'm using some white acrylic paint to paint in the chef's hat. Just a quick thing about drawing. Drawing is a skill, so you can learn how to draw. All you need to do is just practice, look at videos, and you can pretty much draw anything if you commit to it. No one, as far as I know, is born learning how to draw. It is something that they are taught, whether it's self-taught, and that means, keep practicing or watching videos, or whether they go to school. But yeah, drawing is self-taught. So if you really want to know how to draw, I suggest you jump on YouTube, look at a lot of videos, go on Google, and there are different tutorials to show you how to draw. So that's me putting a little black circle on the chef hat right there. And then I am going to get some black paint and do the outline of the chef hat. So using acrylic can be a little bit funny because you would need to keep adding water to the acrylic to make sure that it stays. So in the end, I kind of like gave up on using the black acrylic paint, and I used a marker instead. So that's me there going to paint in the face of the woman. I used 3 different colors to get that skin tone. And that's another thing with like painting skin tone, which I'm still learning as well. You have to create layers and use different colors to create the best skin tone that you want. So yeah, so that's me drawing a face. As I said, you can do whatever you want with your apron. You can use materials, you can use paint, you can stick things on, just as long as it's washable, because at some point you're gonna wash your apron. That's me trying to get all of the edges in. I keep dipping my brush into the water so the paint can spread a little bit more. So yeah, that's me completing the face and the skin tone of the woman. Off camera I kind of like fix it a little bit more to just kind of like get it how I really want it. Then I'm going on to the hair. So I'm literally just taking black paint and doing little kind of like cloud shapes on the hair.
If you want cook soup, now what are you going to use? If your head is hot, now what are you cool
The thing with that is you have to keep adding layers on top of the hair to make it look um, as realistic as you can. So here I'm just taking some white paint and trying to create some highlights in the hair to make it a little bit realistic. I've gone on to add more of the black paint and to shape the hair a little bit more. This is me doing the neck of the chef. Again, I am using different colors for the skin to create a brown skin tone. It doesn't matter if your work looks like it's messy to begin with. That is fine. You just need to continue to build layers to make sure it ends up the way that you'd like it to be. It might not start off as great, but you just have to keep at it. You just have to keep working at it, and eventually it will just build up. So I decided to put a salt and pepper shaker on one of the pockets. I also decided to make the chef go faceless. And on the other pocket, I painted a cupcake. I decided to make the chef go faceless because I thought it was quite symbolic. I also put a Black Lives Matter symbol on her chef hat for support of what's happening in the world right now. I also decided to give her a choker, so I used some of the material that should be in a box, and I gave her a choker. I'd love to see what you guys have created with your canvas aprons. Hopefully you've put something on there that means a lot to you. Hope to see you soon. Bye.